Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit that bell notification so that whenever I come out with a new video, you'll be the first one who will be getting the notification. And I'll be needing support from you people to grow this channel. And today our topic is medicines and vaccination available in 2020 for COVID-19. So without wasting much of the time, let's get into it. The clinical trials of the world's first vaccine for the novel coronavirus has been completed by the skin of First Moscow State Medical University in Russia. The information has been confirmed by Vadim Tarasov, the director of the Institute for Translational Medicines and Biotechnology. According to report by Sputnik News, the report highlighted that all clinical trials of COVID-19 vaccine produced by Gamaleya Institute of Epidemiology and Microbiology stated on June 18. The study has been done to check vaccine safety when given to humans, and that has now been successfully done. Further, the vaccine manufacturer is raiding a plan for development of this vaccine that will include the complexity of the epidemiological situation with the virus and how to ramp up the vaccine's production. The report added. Tarasov noted that Skinov University has emerged as a scientific and technological research center for this protocol development as well as clinical trials of this vaccine. Meanwhile, the WHO has last month announced that Oxford's vaccine was most advanced. India latest update on coronavirus vaccine. The Indian Council of Medical Research (ICMR) has set a target of August 15 to launch coronavirus vaccine. The name of the vaccine is Covaxin in India for public health use. However, the ICMR's deadline is now being questioned by several scientists. The Council and the Fellowship of the Indian Academy of Science, that is IASC, a forum which constitutes India's 1,100 eminent scientists, have said that it is not feasible to introduce a vaccine for COVID-19 infection this early. The Indian Express reported, while the move of vaccine production has been welcomed by IASC, it has cautioned that ICMR and Bharat Biotech, who have jointly developed Covaxin, should not rush into haste as it may impact the scientific process and standards set for the launch of the vaccine. The body representing scientists believes that the timeline ICMR has set August 15 is not feasible, and it has raised some caution. The report highlighted that despite the urgency of the COVID-19 vaccine in India market, the vaccine development for use in humans will need proper scientifically executed clinical trials before it is being made available for public use. Usually there are three phases of trials for vaccines, where in the first phase safety is evaluated, in the second phase efficiency and side effects are checked with different doses, and the third phase confirms the safety in the thousands of healthy people. And one cannot decide a timeline for vaccine launch. According to him, if the first phase of the trial fails, the entire process is discarded and started new. Further, he stressed that an injectable vaccine takes longer time than an oral one, and the clinical trial period of 1 month for Covaxin, said by ICMR, is unprecedented. Pharma major Cipla has launched its generic version of broad-spectrum antiviral drug Remdesivir, branded Cipremi, to be used on critically ill COVID patients in hospitals. Claimed to be priced the lowest in the market, the product is launched under a licensing agreement with US-based Gilead Sciences Inc. Business, Cipla said, to further ensure equitable distribution, Cipremi will be available via government and hospital channels only. Cipla will also be donating some amount of the drugs as part of its effort to support the community in this time of need. He added, privately held Sovereign Pharma is manufacturing and packaging Cipremi vials. Cipla was granted regulatory approval for Remdesivir by the Drug Controller General of India, that is DCGI, for restricted emergency use in the country as part of the accelerated approval processing, considering the urgent and unmet medical need. The drug will be supplied through government and open market channels to ensure equitable distribution. Bicon Itolizumab, to save many critical ill patients, says Kiran Mazumdar. So, Bicon of Saturday announced it has received approval of Drugs Controller General of India (DCGI) approval to market itolizumab for the treatment of cytokine release syndrome, that is CRS, in moderate to severe ARDS, acute respiratory distress syndrome, patients due to COVID-19. The company executive chairperson Kiran Mazumdar said in the statement that itolizumab has proved to be an efficacious intervention in treating the serious hyperimmune response seen in COVID-19. She further said, "I am confident that this first-in-class biologic will save lives and help reduce the mortality rate in our country." Saul said itolizumab has put India amongst the leading global innovators in the effort to overcome the COVID-19 pandemic. So without this, I'll end my video today. Hope you'll subscribe my channel and stay good and stay healthy. Thank you for watching.